What's the my day? Fellow Ghanaians in Bacasso. And eh, ya brena so. Oh, I'm at us. Yeah, tell us how can't want it. I can't want it. He wasn't. Shishi. Hey, now we are the fellow Ghanaians in Bacassa. My shop station wouldn't have been time. There's only any time in Yanson. I bring us and then you perform. Hey, Miss Thompson, fellow Ghanaians. I mean to be put. I'm too old, not from old. Hey, now I know about Eja, blah, shishi. Hey, bra, na some ya for us. Nada, who are they?
Who come in Dakatra?
Water. Now represent that door. Fellow Ghanaians, Baba Casa.
Tambe.
Sissy, I don't know. Miss Oyan Titus. Oh,
I'm coming to Tunam.
So, Ocasacra won't it. Why? Who shall why a day? Oh,
some Eba. You're for young. I
don't wish about going back. Young Papa said, oh.
Hi.
Check out the answer.
Eba.
Fellow Ghanaians.
President greet you.
Good evening.
All people still greeting.
Madam Asibebre, Obebia, Modi Mechi, Yari Baye, and Kodia Yakunina, Mode Mahoden, Atamechi.
Thank you for your portion and your sake. Still movement to me.
Yare we no like na ho den. Awa ho den ana se na ni den. But still ano ye dem paibo na se ye bibia kama bibia be ye boko.
This sake is to be bold and their strength and in a good name. But still I follow Mr. President. Our
Edin kind no. Me dey asida be ma media no, na ye adwuma bebre.
Still greeting audience and shout.
Police for any soldier for so my ade titru ni soldier for no aswani for nyina mogwa omo.
Police soldiers after coronavirus bleeding. It's a share. It's a fighting audience, it's a greeting for audience. Thank you.
Manya ntia say dwarefo bi watakrade my ade bebre fi se mo ati fellow Ghanaians say mo si gina ho mempe mo tete mo ntam social distance.
President is open and hanging.
Let me continue my story. My mentor son American so. Mati say dwarefo ma bi watakrade o my ade say mo si tete mo ntam di dwa no fepa takrade fo dwarefo me bo ma ba so bebre.
Takrade market, you hear president is open your size and leave. Thank you.
Ekono de yeguso menko amintimi nkosa akon we ti monya asomre momwa me na mintimi ni yare we from my.
Still fighting is Mr. President, still fighting. Audience helping father and live and use rest. Thank you.
Minim say mo nyina mo biebie masum mo betie de me ba beka.
Open your ears and your nose and your hunger. Ghanaians, thank you.
Fellow Ghanaians, me ba no mate se bi mo kan me be lock e bi se me lock e bi se by force lock e bi se total lock e bi se partial lock e na nanka so de ma be lock. Na mama locking so interest yare na twam yare ende da so ho no mo.
No looking. Not thinking and sit down. Six in a street.
Every otnako asori dan no still amatutum.
Churches don't greeting. Still close the church.
School dan bia so matutum.
stay in schools, don't reading, stay open and close.
Conference meeting be also matutum.
Any apartment in the conference, no allowed in this community.
Edward for metna di jana so montem.
Freedom in the market. Go to your market and shop. Otherwise, open.
Mahu ade we. Fellow Ghanaians, mahu ade we. Your friend say,
Nose mask.
Follow Ghanaians. You see this side is Rose Nice.
If you want to say ana monimbe.
Tomorrow going. Ghana peoples. It's kakai. My face.
All the shower ni ma just ohenebebo. Na so e famo yare no.
After you are close, your nose is bending. To continue, it's through.
Tractor for no my ade bebre me bo ma baso ne taxi for no. Mate se nipa na mo fa no mate tete so. Eye pa mon koso nya sa.
Trotro and taxing is a president greeting you and passing you and sending you because of hand.
Madam ase bebre fellow Ghanaians.
It's a president greeting you, you are staying and holding your temper because this talking.
Mumu ame na yankon yare no na se ye na timi dimra no so yare no e be ko enu manim ya. Te se na be nka aka na nose mask no dia wo hwene bebo enso anya hwe.
Turn your hold and hanging president and cheat. Nehe, sike.
Madam ase bebre.
Audience, peoples, leave your
Vice President Papa. It's all taste of Papa. You bekasa na dirimi kasa baba.
Awo.
Na mama.
Me yemu shimi. It's a fellow Ghanaian. Hey, let me some ya Ghanaian. Fellow Ghanaians, I'm the Ghanaians one. Me yemu shimi me so bekasa. Lockdown. Se say dey double pan and kebeba.
Sister.
Ai,
enya wo nko na wo yemu hihyiwu. Na me nim say ke ko besa lock it down. But why ade lock it one lock it down because me say na me moa me ho. Me moa me ho nti afutu a watu ye no. So see am practice social distancing. To kwa
oh, ukura wa be me do you bear me.
O say social distancing. Na mask no obi.
Me dey no say dey me dey lockdown no aye dada.
Anti me sraw. To mask ni bi.
Na san bear me o.
Na yenkope ayi ni bi. Hand sanitizer no. There's a local one so my to be a camera. Yenkope no bi entosa. This is you lock it down. Me go come hand to mouth. Come over chiri me. Me nya 1 week skakwa na me di dwa.
Say ba kon kwa de me aduane di. Nti wo kan ya fellow Ghanaians. Yem see ye brade. Afedi o kan ha say. Namka lockdown another one. Down lock. Nka we kura re be down lock. Say new one ba kon na ba kan na lockdown. Na nka we attend down lock.
Say kura de. E ya na obie na no kakara. Eto obi a papa ibie na no a wonte hwe no fellow Ghanaians.
Oh, we dey why dey be sin ko. Na ho ye dey. Ya wo to je na meme wo mo ate. Ono wo yi je na ama no a. Mo nu nyina ba bi say na wo je na say. Na de je na ama no so.
Akasa no ma.
Eni so ben no. Eni so ben no.
Asema meka. Unse we di okatwi. To kai ne sisi so.
Na kwala na o kan brofo na de ben no. O ko school wa hene.
Papa e ka brofo ayente. Wa hunu nipa mo ba katwi ma e wa wo chem ko brofo so ye wonwona ye hunu ne fare ba bia.
O be fra me kran ka meka. Say me first me go school na. So for preach me timi chirase. Me translate ko ayi. Twi ka metimi aka. Opa ka bibi ma me chirase.
Okay. Yes, wo ka brofo na ma katwi.
No, you speak English na ma katwi.
Okay. Mama Kali. From the president's address, what did you learn from it?
Senior President it so cool school boy na address ni. O cool school boy na address. So te bantama o kire say bantama B10 B20 o kire